Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. So in today's video is a collaboration video with Hang With Oma. Hang With Oma is a sister and a mom YouTuber who also lives in Lagos, Nigeria. So today's video is an interesting one because she's going to be my guest. I'm going to be making for her palm oil stew, which she's going to eat with white rice. So you will watch me make this stew, and then you will go to her channel and watch her eat this food I am making. So let's get started, and let me show you what I'm going to use for this recipe. So for this palm oil stew, I'm just going to use the different peppers here and few tomatoes here. I'm also going to use a little garlic and a ginger paste. I'll add them all into the blender and blend everything. I'll also be using one onion out of this to blend along with the tomato to get my pepper mix, and then I'll use one onions for frying. Onions is a very expensive here now, so using all that is a luxury. And then I have some grilled mackerel fish already in the oven. Sorry, I also have some boiled eggs. I'll start the cooking by adding some palm oil into the dry pot. Allow it to heat up. I'm not going to bleach it, just for the oil to be hot enough to fry the onions, and then we add the onions. The oil has heated up, it's hot enough, so we start frying. Add the onions and stir. I'm adding some iru into the oil, locust bean. At least we take the taste to another level. I'm not used to cooking locust bean, but my guest wants this, so I have to give it to her. I hope you enjoy this. Adding some crayfish. And then the tomato mix. And added some seasoning cubes and some mixed spices called kitchen glory. Mix everything together, stir very well, and taste for salt. Not enough salt, so I'm adding a little more salt. And I'll also be adding some pepper flakes. This has cooked for about 7 minutes now, so we'll stir and then add the smoked or grilled mackerel fish and also the boiled eggs. The fish, this egg, and the sauce or stew have mixed very well with each other. It has been boiling for about 10 minutes now, so it is time to add some vegetables. I have some ugu leaves here and some curry leaves, so I'll be adding them now. We just stir everything together and cover the pot and allow it to simmer for just 1 minute. And then here we have our palm oil stew. So delicious. It's very delicious. So thank you at Hang With Oma for making me do this. I really enjoyed making this video for you. The rice is also ready, so we'll just sit to the table and you have your lunch. This is our rice also ready. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up, share it as usual, and comment. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the red button there that says subscribe and subscribe. And after doing that, please move in to Hang With Oma's channel and watch how she's going to eat this delicious meal which I have made here. Her link will be in the description box below. Please do click and help me watch hers. Thank you. I enjoyed eating this also. It was so delicious. I hope you give this a try and I bet you will love it. Thank you all for watching. I love you all. Remain blessed and stay safe until we see you in our next video. Bye bye.